channel. Today I'll be making a key lime pie. It's a very simple recipe. However, I will not be in the video too much today due to the fact that I only have one coat, so I don't want to be on here without my uniform. So first we're going to start with our eggs. We're not actually using the whole egg, we're only using egg yolks. I'm going to show you guys how to separate your egg yolks. So you want to crack your egg. Do not fully open your egg. You want to take the top off, and you see your whites will start to fall out. You're going to tilt it over and transfer your yolk into the other one. And you see how the whites are still coming out? You'll continue to do that until you no longer have any egg whites left. It's just straight yolk. Now that you've had all your egg yolks placed into your mixer, you're going to open up your can of condensed milk. You're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So once you've placed your condensed milk in a bowl, you want to go ahead and start your mixer. So I have my mixer on 6 right now. Go up 1 more. Give it some time to fully combine. You want to turn your mixer off and lift it back up, because you see how you have condensed milk built up on the side that's not combined? You want all of that to mix in. So just scrape your bowl, scrape the side of the bowl. Let it down and continue to mix. So I'm going to put my mixer on 3, and now what I'm going to do, so with key lime pie, I like my key lime pie tangy. A lot of people like theirs more sweet than tangy, but if you're going to tell me something has citrus in it, I want to taste the citrus. I'm a big citrus fan. So with my key lime pie, I just add lime, and then I taste as I go. Grab you a little spoon or something so you can taste your filling. Make sure it's tangy enough or sweet enough. Definitely not. So one thing about baking, you have to use measurements, simply because if you're missing, you could be off by a 1/2 teaspoon or by a pinch, but if you miss any step in baking, it's not going to turn out right. So I will be leaving a recipe in the description of this video, because it is a baked product, so you have to have a recipe for baked products. Alright, gonna taste it again. Make sure you're washing your tasting spoon. Don't double dip. You're gonna set that to the side. So you're gonna have melted butter, and then get you some graham cracker crumbs, or you can get you some graham crackers and crumble them up yourself. Mix it up. So your crust is gonna look like this when it's done. So you're gonna take your pie pan. Just to be 100% sure on the safe side, I'm gonna spray my pan with non-stick spray. Just so we can get that perfect slice of pie. Next, you're gonna place your crust into the pan. Now, please do not freak out. You are allowed to touch food before heat is applied. It's okay if you touch it as long as heat is applied. And I'm a very hands-on chef, so if you see me using my hands, that's before heat is applied. Heat kills bacteria. Heat kills germs. You're going to pat down your crust. And make sure you go up the walls of the pan so you'll have crust on the back side of your pie. But don't push down too hard so you don't make any holes in your crust. So once you finish with your pie crust, you're gonna remove your filling from your mixer. So this should be the consistency of your pie filling. It's a custard-like filling, it's kind of thick. Fill up your pan. Be careful not to let it overflow or fill it up too high. You need to give the pie room. Add just a little bit more. And now our pie is ready to go in the oven. You will bake your pie for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Make sure you preheat your oven before you start to make your pie. If you check anytime before or after 15 minutes and your pie is set, you can go ahead and take it out because you do not want your pie to burn. And that'll be all for this video today. I'll post a picture of the finished product at the end. Thank you guys for watching.